Okay, this one.
Uh, is it um ethyl methanoate?
Methyl ethanoate.
Oh, okay.
Do you know how?
Yeah, like the alcohol name should be like in the first, and then the acid name should be in the second, like methyl ethanoate. So,
See,
but then
you wait.
acid was a
I'll explain you. You are missing one major part here. So what is the case? Whenever any ester comes, now any compound in organic chemistry comes, so it has two parts. Like one is the name, okay, and then there could be like a first name, and there could be something like suffix, or here first is like known as prefix, and this is the main name is known as word root.
okay.
Okay. And the word root, the rule for like whenever you name anything, the rule is word root should be made up of maximum number of carbons. Okay. Doesn't matter what you put before, doesn't matter what you put after, but your main name should have more letters. Okay. So we will follow this. See, now I'm
Okay.
taking that example again.
Okay.
So basically, this entire group is the main chain.
Okay.
It has more number of carbons. Okay, fine.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
the thing is, now wait, wait. Don't write anything. Let me clarify a few things. So now, whenever a ester comes to you, what you need to do is you break it from the single bond O. Okay, break
Okay.
it and make two circles such that both the oxygen should remain together like this.
Oh,
So these will be two. So the one that is left without oxygen would be your prefix. Pre means it will come before. And the
okay.
one with the oxygens would be your suffix. So now note this thing. Okay. So now
Oh,
pre would be methyl. So methyl,
okay.
and the other part would be ethanoate.
Okay.
So what is simple? Break the compound from the single bond oxygen such that both oxygen remains together. The one that
Okay.
contains oxygen would be suffix and the without oxygen would be prefix.
Yes, ma'am. I noted it.
So now what you said, let me make that structure. So this one. Now from where you annotate the screen and tell me, make two circles.
Okay.
How you
Uh,
will make two circles?
okay. I'll just.
Correct. Perfect. So what would be? So that without oxygen would be a prefix and this would be my suffix, correct? So
Yeah.
prefix is what is that?
I mean, ethyl.
Yeah,
Oh,
correct. Ethyl or ethyl, anyway you can say it. Ethyl,
okay.
and this would be
Methanoate.
methanoid.
Okay.
See, this is what you said and it, okay, for the first one and it looks like this.
Okay.
Okay, so now the thing is how to make esters. Can you tell me how we can make esters?
Um, by like by reacting an alcohol and carboxylic acid.
Perfect. And basically now Normal reaction is take any carboxylic acid plus, correct?
Yeah.
And you have to simply remove water.
Yes.
And
Okay.
after removing the water, this, like, let's remove, and it would be something like this.
Okay.
This is known as, and also this reaction is reversible. So it takes place in the presence of an acid. So what is this compound formed? Name it.
Uh, it'll be so okay. So the one without oxygen is suffix.
Prefix.
So oh, okay. So methyl ethanoate.
C2 है ना? This is C2. See,
Oh,
C2H5 is there.
oh, okay. So
Ethyl.
methyl ethanoate.
No, ethyl ethanoate.
Fine.
C2H5
Methyl
is,
ethanoate.
yeah. Okay. This is ethanol now, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So this, this is the only ester, like, in my whole teaching career that I have seen come in your exam. Okay, sometimes
Oh,
they will ask you to complete the structure of this particular ester because only this reaction is in your curriculum. This is esterification, no other ester. Rarest of
oh,
rare case, they will ask any other. Otherwise, surely, if they want to frame a question, they will ask you to name this one. So just
okay.
memorize this as ester. Okay, don't forget it.
Yeah. Okay.
Ethyl ethanoate. Anywhere around, they will ask you the reactants, they will ask you the product, they will ask you the name, or they will give you the structure, they will ask you to complete it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But now you know the general naming also, but in the, like, baddest case, some other ester comes, you can name it now.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So now polymer. So let's make a polymer, condensation polymer. So what is condensation polymer? First of all, now what is the difference between addition and condensation polymer? Addition means, like, you're gonna take many species, fine, and they will combine, they will add together to make one long chain, and there is no other byproduct form. Okay, just like, you're gonna take 1 second, Sanjana, just 1 second.
No problem.
Um, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
So,
I just had a doubt.
hmm,
I was so unclear about where, like, how to draw the structures of esters when the alcohol and carboxylic acid is given, like where the ester bond forms.
where the ester bond forms. Okay. Basically, now the trick is just remove the water. Okay.
Okay.
You have to remove the water. That's the trick, like, normally. But if you want to go into the chemistry, that also I can explain you. First, let's do the trick. So simply suppose, let me take this. I'm taking propanoic acid. Okay. And
Okay.
suppose they gave me CH3, CH2OH. Okay.
Okay.
So first step is, what you need to do is draw both the OH facing each other. Okay. So split this molecule, rewrite the equation. Okay. And it would be OH, CH2, CH3. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
And then remove the water like this.
Okay.
And what I have, what I have written is the correct formula, because in your curriculum, it doesn't matter which OH and which H you take. Like, H of
Okay.
alcohol and OH of carboxylic acid doesn't matter. They won't ask you. But in
Oh,
reality, OH of alcohol and H of acid goes. Okay, this is
oh,
the actual reaction. So you have to remove the H of the acid and OH of the alcohol.
okay.
At anywhere around would be fine. Just remove the water. Okay, when you
Okay.
remove the water, now what is left? So let's draw this. What is left? CH3, CH2, double bond O,